Today we're gonna be talking about Seiko Prospex SPB157. For Seiko, 2020 year was very fruitful with the hits they did. One of the most hyped watches from Japanese watchmaker was SPB143. The series of the watches dedicated to the first Seiko divers, 63 MAS from 60s, was hit and it's still a hit. I joined the crowd and I got the popular diver for myself. I did a few videos about the watch where I've explained what I like and what I hate about them. You can check them in the link down below. But today I'm going to be talking about another great Seiko model that came in the end of 2020. The watch I will be talking about is a Prospex model SPB157, or as it's called right now by many people, it's a Baby Alpinist. Why it's a baby? Because it's smaller in size and they lost compass. So it doesn't have any compass. It's just clean, pure design, which I like about this watch. The Baby Alpinist series was the first expansion of the Alpinist family. In 2021, Seiko Laurel reissue is coming to the stores right now, as we speak. I remember when I was looking at the pictures of the blue version of SPB157, I fell in love with this watch. The specifications looked promised as well. 20 bar of water resistance, screw down crown, automatic caliber 6R35 with impressive 70 hours of power reserve. Domed sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating on inner surface and 38mm case size. All these specifications, there are more for sure. Other I didn't mention because I highlighted just the most important specifications for me. And those specifications, they make Baby Alpinist the perfect everyday watch. So based on my impressions from the pictures and from the specifications, I made the pre-order last fall and I got the watch a few weeks later. I didn't expect much, but the watch I got was just perfect. Well, almost perfect. Timeless design with some vintage vibe, great size, amazing blue dial that plays beautifully in the light. I cannot say much about dark gray version, but I have the same watch with the green dial, and I can say that blue is my favorite. The green is nice too, but it doesn't play as beautifully as the blue one. As much as I was trying to find something bad about the watch, I could not, actually. And there are some things that are not necessarily bad, but I think it would be nice to have them in this particular model. I would like to have a bit thinner case, not as thick as it is. I'd love to have signed crown. I think it would take this watch to a few points up. And I don't get why they offering the bracelet only with green version, because blue look incredible on the bracelet. And that's actually was the reason why I bought the green version, because I wanted to have my blue watch on the bracelet. So now I have them on a NATO, which I also like, and it plays beautifully and it looks beautiful on the this particular NATO. But as a bracelet, it's just made for bracelet. I think the watch is made for bracelet, and that's why I have it, and I switched them from NATO to bracelet. So to summarize, I think it's a very successful model. If you're looking for something like Rolex Explorer, but you don't want to spend that kind of money, that would be a very good alternative to have, because this watch is just made to be an everyday watch. You can wear them everywhere. You can wear them to work, with your suit, with your jacket. You can wear them outdoors. You can swim with them. It's just a really, really great watch that sits perfectly on the wrist. If you have a like average or smaller wrist, that would be a really good option for you. The lumes, just as always, Seiko is very well known for their lume. The lume is great. One other thing that makes this watch a little bit better than Rolex Explorer or Tudor Black Bay is it has date. I'm not saying that it's better than those watches that I just mentioned, but if you're not willing to spend a lot of money for the watch, but you're looking for something for a really great everyday watch, that would be a great option with the date, with all the specifications, with design and everything. It just could cost more, I think, but the price is pretty fair, and that's a very good option. That's a very good watch to have. I tried to wear them on leather strap that it came with, but I don't really like it. It's not comfortable for me, so I switched it to NATO or to bracelet. Depends on my mood, depends on my how I want this watch to be presented. So this is my thought about the watch. I wear them for quite a long time already, and they work very well, and I have nothing bad to say about this watch at all. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions regarding the watch or you have any comments, just leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll see you next time, guys. Thank you. Bye now.